Hello everyone, Roshan Drives here, and in this video we will be learning how to apply brakes smoothly while driving a manual car. So if you are driving any sort of vehicles and you are not able to stop your car smoothly, then you are not counted as a perfect driver. So in order to be a perfect driver, you should be able to stop your car in a smooth way, but that doesn't mean that every time you will stop your car smoothly. Sometimes if you have to do an emergency stop, on that situation you cannot have smooth stopping of your car, because in case of an emergency you have very little time and you need to stop your car as fast as possible. So on that situation we have to slam on the brake so that we will stop our car as fast as possible. So here in this video I'm going to be showing you by driving how to apply the brakes and how to use the clutch to coordinate with the brake pedal, when you should press the clutch and when you should want to press the brake. That everything I am going to cover in this video. Before I jump straight into video, if you guys are new here, please subscribe to the channel. So without further ado, let's get into POV driving and let's learn how to apply brake smoothly while driving a car. So guys, let's put the car in first gear. Let's start moving. So guys, while applying brakes, you should be always gentle with the brake. So when you have to slow down your car, you don't slam on the brake hardly, because if you slam on the brake hardly, then you will suddenly stop your car. You will like thrown in front of the car and then you will hit back into the seat. Be gentle with the brake pedal, don't slam on the brakes. Upshift into second gear. Increase speed a little bit. Okay, so let me overtake this one. Shift into fourth gear. Now if I have to slow down my car, I won't slam on the brake. I will be gentle with the brake pedal like this. Be gentle with the brake pedal. When you have finished slowing down your car, then shift your right foot from brake pedal to the accelerator pedal. Gentle, try to be gentle. Okay, don't slam hard. Now let's say if I have to stop my car completely here, then what I'll do is I will be gentle with the brake pedal like this. Press the brake gently, and when the car is about to stall, I will press the clutch, and you guys can see there is no any jerk or any sort of like shakiness, or you are just thrown in front of your car and then again hit back on the car. That will be happen if you slam on the brake hardly. The weather today seems to be perfectly fine. So from here I'll be turning right and I'll be driving in narrow road now. Notice on my foot pedal, okay guys, while pressing the brake, I never press the brake hard. I'm trying to be gentle with the brake pedal always. Now the road is pretty narrow, I have to be very careful. Keep your eyes on my brake pedal. I'm applying brakes very gently and firmly in a progressive way. upshifted into second gear. So while driving in this sort of narrow road, you have to be perfect with all the judgments of your car. Either it be a left side judgment, right side judgment, front or rear. You should be very much precise. You never know from where the motorcycle will come. So guys, when I am slowing down my car, I'm not feeling that I have applied brakes, because it's so smooth that you don't feel like you are braking. So that's the correct way of applying brakes. Means if you have passengers in your car, the passengers should not feel that you are applying brake. So that is how smooth it should be. I have to overtake this person now. You have to be very, very careful while driving in this sort of scenario. Road is very narrow and there is a huge traffic now. Notice on my brake pedal, okay, I'm applying brakes in a progressive way. I'm not slamming on the brake. That's not a proper way of applying brakes. You should be very gentle with the brake pedal. And if you are driving at higher speed, then obviously you have to press the brake at first and then slow down your car. And if you are driving car at very low speed, then on that situation you press the clutch at first and then you apply the brake in a progressive way. Okay. I'm slowing down my car, and I hope that you guys have noticed how I pressed the brake pedal. So if you guys have any sort of confusions or problems related to driving or anything about cars, you can feel free to mention those in the comment section below. I will surely try to address your comments as soon as I can. Okay. I have already made videos on how you can judge the left side of your car already. That's already on my YouTube channel. If you guys are interested, go and check that. I think I have to slow down here a little bit. Luckily I got chance to go. driving on this sort of narrow roads can be very much challenging because of the motorcycles. Look at the lady there. The motorcycles, they just come from wherever they like, and you have to be very cautious. Always keep your eyes on the mirror. So guys, this is how you apply brakes while you drive a car. Always try to be gentle and progressive with your brake pedals. Don't slam on the brakes. That's not the good way of braking your car smoothly. So as you guys can see, what is he doing, man? Hope that you guys found this video useful. If you did, don't forget to like the video, and if you guys are new to the channel, please subscribe to the channel as well. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video. Until then, drive safe and take care.